Taj Mahal is among the most beautiful architectural masterpieces in the world. Located just outside the city of Agra in the North Indian state of Uttar Pradesh, the Taj Mahal is among the most beautiful architectural masterpieces in the world. A symbol of love and tragedy, the iconic mausoleum was ordered by Shah Jahan, a Mughal ruler, to be built in honor of his wife Mumtaz Mahal. The magnificent mausoleum was recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1983. The site, on the southwest bank of the river Yamuna just outside Agra, has 5 main structures, which are the Darwaza, main gateway, the Bagicha, garden, the Masjid, mosque, the Naktarkhana, rest house, and the Raza, mausoleum, where the tomb is located. The architectural style is the main attraction at the Taj Mahal. It is a unique combination of Persian, Central Asian, and Islamic architecture. Highlights include the black and white marble checked floor, the 4 spectacular minarets at the corners of the mausoleum's plinth standing at 40 meters high, and the surreal middle dome. Construction began in 1630. Expert masons, craftsmen, sculptors, and calligraphers were summoned from Persia, the Ottoman Empire, and even Europe to work on the marble screens and inlays, which were done with an exquisite collection of semi-precious stones. The complex was finally completed in the year 1653. Tourists from all over the world visit every year to catch a glimpse of the spectacular structure.